Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be exploring the Senkou Span A, one of the most crucial elements of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo trading system. So I'm going to add the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo to the chart. Right now, if you have been using the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator, or if you've heard about it and want to understand its components better, then this video will give you all the details you need. All right, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the Senkou Span A to enhance your market analysis. All right. Okay, if you find this information useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on technical analysis, strategies, and tools that can elevate your trading. So let us get started. Let us start with the basics. Okay, Senkou Span A is part of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, which is a comprehensive indicator, as we can see here. And this indicator is used to assess price momentum, trend direction, and potential support or resistance levels. Now, unlike many other indicators, the Ichimoku system isn't just one line, but rather a group of lines, as you can see for yourself, each providing unique insights into the market. Now, Senkou Span A is one of those lines, and it plays a critical role in helping traders assess future market trends. The key thing to note about Senkou Span A is that it is plotted 26 periods ahead of the current price action. All right, so it's essentially a forward-looking line. That gives you a sense of where the market might be headed. So how is it calculated? Well, Senkou Span A is the average of two other important Ichimoku lines, which are the Tenkan-sen. You can see this is the Kijun-sen, which are the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. The Kijun-sen is the blue line. The Tenkan-sen is the red line. So the Senkou Span A, we can see this is the Senkou Span A. This is the Senkou Span A. So it is the average of these other two Ichimoku lines, right? These two lines, which will, we have already talked about the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo in another video, so you might also want to check that out if you want to get more details about, the other components of this Ichimoku indicator, right? The two lines, they actually give insight into shorter and longer term trends. By averaging them, the Senkou Span A offers, the Senkou Span A, note that the Senkou Span A is this one that is orange-like in color, right? The orange-like color, okay? So it offers a balanced view of both. This forward projection is a unique feature of Senkou Span A. While most indicators are based on historical price action, the Senkou Span A gives you a glimpse into the future. All right, as you can see, it is going into the future, right? You can see that the Senkou Span A, the indicator has already gone into the future ahead of current price action, right? Now that we know what Senkou Span A, let us talk about how to interpret it in the context of your trades. The key thing to remember about Senkou Span A is its position relative to the price. If the price is above the Senkou Span A, like in this situation, right? If the price is above Senkou Span A, that signals a bullish trend, meaning that the market is generally moving in an upward direction. If the price is below the Senkou Span A, it suggests a bearish trend, indicating a downward market. But here's the real power of Senkou Span A. It's plotted ahead of the current price, like what we can see here, right? So this allows you to anticipate the market's future direction and adjust your trades accordingly. Now, if the price is above Senkou Span A, and continues to stay above it, this reinforces the idea that the trend will continue upward. Okay, let's just go back a bit and see. You can see that whenever we have the price above the Senkou Span A, Senkou Span A acts as dynamic support and resistance as well. But whenever you have the price, within, because the Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B form the Kumo Cloud, right? You can see this is the Senkou Span A, this is the Senkou Span B, right? So the hatched area is what we have as the Kumo Cloud. So whenever you have price within it, you can just decide to stay out. But the combination of the Senkou Span A and B, they actually serve as dynamic support and resistance levels. Okay? Now, let's talk about how Senkou Span A works in conjunction with the rest of the Ichimoku system. One of the most powerful aspects of Senkou Span A is that it's plotted as part of the Ichimoku Cloud. Alright, you may have heard traders talk about the cloud, and it's essentially the area between the Senkou Span A and the Senkou Span B, which is the second line in the Ichimoku system. Right, the cloud or the Kumo is a key area for determining market support and resistance. When the price is above the cloud, it indicates a strong bullish trend. If the price is below the cloud, it's a bearish market. And if the price is within the cloud, the market is in a consolidation phase. So when Senkou Span A is above Senkou Span B, right, as in this situation, the cloud is going to be the color of the Senkou Span A, right, signaling a bullish market. But when the Senkou Span A is below the Senkou Span B, the cloud is not going to be the color of the Senkou Span B, signaling a bearish market. So this gives you an immediate visual cue of market sentiment, which is especially helpful when analyzing complex price movements. Now remember, Senkou Span A is one of the two lines that define the cloud, okay? And its position can provide early signals of trend changes before other indicators catch up. The cloud itself acts as a visual roadmap, and Tenkan Span A plays a vital role in determining the market's future direction. Okay? Now let's dive into some practical tips on how you can use Senkou Span A in your trading. First, use Senkou Span A to confirm trends. As I mentioned earlier, when the price is above the Senkou Span A, it's a sign of a bullish trend. And when it is below it, it's a sign of a bearish trend. Okay, this simple principle can help you decide whether to enter a long or short position. Secondly, use it in combination with other indicators. While Senkou Span A is powerful on its own, it's even more effective when combined with other indicators and other tools. For example, you compare it with momentum indicators like the RSI or MACD, any other indicator of your choice, just to get a fuller picture of market conditions. Okay, these indicators can help you confirm whether the market's momentum supports the trend indicated by Senkou Span A. Now, thirdly, look for reversals. One of the key advantages of Senkou Span A is that it provides you with an early warning of trend changes. If you see the price approaching Senkou Span A, like what was happening here, you can see around this resistance zone, you can see that as the price got rejected, it started approaching the Senkou Span A. So when you notice that happening, when the price begins to approach Senkou Span A and crossing it, right, it could be a sign of a reversal. And you can see that eventually we actually had a reversal as the price continued downwards. But initially this was a bullish trend, right? So keep a close eye on this level, especially if it coincides with other technical indicators, as it may be a good time to enter or exit a trade. Finally, monitor the cloud for extra context. The Ichimoku Cloud adds another layer of analysis. If Senkou Span A is above Senkou Span B and the price is above the cloud, that's a confirmation of a strong bullish trend. Likewise, if Senkou Span A is below Senkou Span B and the price is below the cloud, you have a bearish confirmation. So use the cloud's color to help guide your trading decisions and combine it with Senkou Span A's position to maximize your accuracy. Alright, like any trading tool, Senkou Span A comes with its advantages and limitations, and the advantages include forward-looking, as a leading indicator. Senkou Span A provides future price direction, like what we have here, predicts the future, right? Helping you anticipate market moves, and then it also gives you a clear visual cue of whether a trend is bullish or bearish, right? Which helps you stay aligned with the market. And also, as part of the Ichimoku system, Senkou Span A offers a holistic view of the market, incorporating multiple factors like momentum, trend, and support or resistance. Now, some of the limitations include, lagging, and the fact that it's better used with other indicators. Because since the Senkou Span A is based on the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen averages in very fast-moving markets, it can lag slightly behind the actual price. Okay. And then while Senkou Span A is powerful, it works best when combined with other indicators to confirm signals and avoid false positives. To wrap things up, Senkou Span A is an incredibly valuable tool for traders who want to get ahead of the curve and anticipate market movements before they happen. By understanding how it interacts with the price and the Ichimoku Cloud, you can get a much clearer understanding of market trends and make more informed decisions. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Senkou Span A, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on Ichimoku, trading strategies, and other useful tools. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.